Where we going?
Gili Islands.
We're going to Gili Islands. Rule of the island: don't eat mushrooms and try to swim to another island. He's the man. He is the man. Not all days are going to be so glamorous here in Bali. We're going to have travel days. We're going to have days where we have downtime. We're going to be waiting around. Travel day, right here. It's not always going to be jam-packed full of fun, fellas. Gili tea. I'm gonna hang out with my ladies again. I'm gonna buy something from them just because they're really nice. How are you, bud?
I'm good.
Good. Yeah, my man. This guy, that's my man. I like these guys. California, Indonesian. Bali. California. There you go. I like that. I'll do one big thing. Just one.
The big one.
Let's do a small one. Those are my ladies back there. How to get something from the girls. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. First dollar right there. Yeah. First dollar. First dollar.
This one very good.
That's good, man.
Thank you, my friend.
You got it, buddy.
People, all right.
Hell yeah.
Thank you.
So new pad. This is the new pool. New pad. He's taking care of us this time. High five, my man. Yeah, dude. Well, by myself in here. Obviously, it's my bathroom. Simple. Now we are walking towards the crazy side of the island we hear. We don't know what we're getting into. So we could walk in, there could be dead bodies everywhere. I don't know. Horse and carriage or bicycles out here. The guy just proposed to his fiance right there. I thought I was on the party island. I'm so confused. I don't know if this is the party island. Oh man, what do you guys think? There's people getting married on this beach.
Horses, pretty romantic.
Horses. This is crazy. This is not. I don't know. Maybe we're on the wrong side of the island. Let's go, bro. Let's black.
I miss you guys.
Let's black.
Black, come on.
Bros.
He sent you some
The
shit from
bros.
California.